Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at how to print out your post-UTME screening print. The printout that you're supposed to get after registering for post-UTME for Uniabuja. You need this printout so that you can be able to continue your screening process. So for you to do that, you simply log on to this web address is clearly written here, https://uniabuja.utme.com. that is the address. So put this address on your address bar just the way I put it on my address bar and press the enter key. Once you press the enter key, the website will open. This is the website. Now if you applied for pre-screening, you're going to hit this button. You see for post-UTME and you see for direct entry, depending on the channel that you're using to enter. For those of you that wrote JAMB, you use post-UTME, you click on it. If you did direct entry, you would have chosen the second option. But for the people that used JAMB, that is what you're supposed to click on. Then you wait. Once you click on it, click on go. If you click on go, it's going to open this. If you're doing a new application for pre-screening, this is where you go to. But if you already applied and you just want to get your printout, you come here, you put your JAMB registration number. So I'm selecting a random JAMB registration number. You can put any one that you have. You should have your own JAMB registration number. So you're going to put it here. Then you type in your password. So put your JAMB registration number, type it in, depending on what yours is, then put your password here, then click on login. So I'm going to use a random one that I have here in order to check it. So I'm going to use this. So that is the JAMB number. Then I'm going to use the phone number. So I'm going to click on login. So once you put the JAMB number, if your credential that you put is not correct, it's going to tell you your reg number or password is incorrect. So you must make sure that you put things that are correct. So I'm going to type it in order to put the correct one. So make sure you're always typing something that is correct.